Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Today we are going to make egg fried rice. It's a very simple and easy recipe. Hope you guys will enjoy it, so stay with me. So the things we need to make egg fried rice are 1 tablespoon vinegar, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon crushed garlic, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon soya sauce, half cup peas, 4 eggs, half cup chopped carrots, 1 chopped capsicum, 2 chopped spring onions. So first of all, I'm going to beat all the eggs. Now take a pan, add 2 tablespoon oil and add the mixture of the eggs. Break the eggs with the help of the spoon, like this. And once that's done, set it aside. Then take a separate pan and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and heat it. And add chopped garlic, and I will fry it until golden brown. Now I'm adding peas and I'm going to cook this for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add capsicum. Then add carrots. Add salt, black pepper powder, soya sauce, now add vinegar. Mix everything nicely and we're done. It should look like this. I already boiled 2 glasses of rice before and now I'm using them. So in a pan, add rice and then add the mixture you prepared of the veggies. Mix it. Now I'm adding eggs. Mix everything nicely. At last, add spring onions. And mix again. Our egg fried rice are ready, so take it out in a plate to serve. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to like, share and comment, and please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Take care. Bye.